Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the transformative practice of Guru Yoga. You might have heard about deity yoga in Vajrayana Buddhism, but what is Guru Yoga? Why do some practitioners choose it over other practices? And how can it guide us in our spiritual journey? In this video, we'll cover what Guru Yoga is, how to do it, why it is practiced, the best times to engage in it, and why some people choose this practice over others. First, let's talk about what Guru Yoga actually is. At its core, Guru Yoga is a devotional practice in which the practitioner visualizes their teacher, aka the Guru, as the embodiment of enlightenment and channels their energy and blessings. The Guru can be a human form or it can be a deity form. However, unlike deity yoga, where practitioners visualize themselves as a deity to embody enlightened qualities, Guru Yoga centers on devotion and connection to a spiritual guide who represents all awakened ones with all of their enlightened qualities. Guru Yoga is a profound way of cultivating devotion, humility, and openness to receive wisdom. Through this connection, the practitioner learns to awaken these same enlightened qualities within themselves. So how do you practice Guru Yoga? Break it down into some simple steps. First of all, sit in a quiet, comfortable position and calm your mind. Maybe you can focus on some breathing techniques or allow your attention to focus on a single point of attention just for a few moments. Then visualize your Guru or any enlightened being that you revere above the crown of your head. Picture them surrounded by radiant light, embodying wisdom, compassion, and peace. Now, if you're not a fan of visualizing, then use your preferred senses to get a sense of this experience. It's more important that you get a sense of the experience over visualizing something perfectly. Next, with your whole heart, offer your devotion. Acknowledge the Guru as a guide and a source of support on your path. This stage is all about opening yourself up with genuine respect and humility. For example, I may offer up to my Guru an offering of loving energy from my heart. Or if you prefer to have a physical object as an offering, like a cup of tea, then go ahead and do that. I will also often offer the things that I am enjoying through my senses, such as a beautiful sky or the company of wonderful beings. I will also offer up things that I am attached to, such as my anger and frustration. By offering these things that have so much meaning to us personally to the Guru, we are then demonstrating our genuine respect and humility. Whilst resting with this experience, allow the blessings of the Guru, often depicted as rays of light, descending into the crown of your head. Get a sense of this light moving through your body and down into your heart, filling you with warmth, wisdom, and compassion. Finally, as you continue to focus on the presence of your Guru, allow this to dissolve into light that emerges within you, symbolizing the realization that all enlightened qualities are already inside you. This process allows you to connect deeply with your potential of enlightenment. Why do we practice Guru Yoga? Now that we know how to do it, let's discuss why Guru Yoga is practiced. Guru Yoga strengthens our connections to the teachings and lineage, helping us to stay grounded and inspired on our path. It's also a practice of surrender, letting go of ego and opening ourselves to the wisdom that has been passed down from teacher to student for centuries. Guru Yoga helps us build faith not only in our teachers but in our potential to achieve enlightenment. By allowing the Guru to be the mirror of our own enlightened nature, we become inspired to cultivate those same qualities within ourselves. Special times to do Guru Yoga. Guru Yoga can be practiced at any time, but there are special occasions when it's considered particularly powerful. These include early morning. Practicing at dawn can set a positive intention for the day and ground us in our spiritual purpose. Guru Rinpoche Day. On the 10th day of each lunar month, practitioners honor Padmasambhava, the renowned guru in Tibetan Buddhism, making it an ideal time for Guru Yoga. New moons and full moons. During these phases, energies are heightened, which can deepen the experience of Guru Yoga. Additionally, practicing Guru Yoga before engaging in other activities, like meditation or mantra recitation, can help align our mind with the lineage's energy and amplify the effectiveness of those practices. Now, why do some practitioners choose Guru Yoga over deity yoga? So why might someone choose Guru Yoga over deity yoga? While deity yoga focuses on embodying a deity's qualities, Guru Yoga is about devotion, surrender, and recognizing our teacher as a bridge to the divine. For some, Guru Yoga is a more accessible practice because it's rooted in relationship. And after all, human beings are social creatures. A personal connection with a real teacher or an enlightened being can definitely help feed off of that. Guru Yoga helps hold a central place within Tibetan Buddhism, especially within the Nyingma and Kagyu traditions, where devotion to the Guru is seen as the swiftest path to enlightenment. For practitioners who feel deeply connected to their teacher or lineage, Guru Yoga provides a way to directly experience the blessings of the lineage in a deeply personal and transformative way. Guru Yoga is a beautiful, powerful practice that emphasizes devotion, connection, and self-realization. Whether you're new to spiritual practice or an experienced practitioner, it can open doors to insights, stability, and the support of the lineage's blessings. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into spiritual practices just like this. And let us know in the comments, have you tried Guru Yoga before, or are you interested in giving it a go?